the ultimate showdown! Zuru 5 Surprise Mini Brands versus Shopkins Real Littles. That's right, Dolliverse! Time for another Versus. Today we are taking a close look at 2 of our new favorite miniatures. Zuru 5 Surprise Mini Brands and Shopkins Real Littles. They are both surprise boxes and they feature real name brands like Welch's, Fruit Loops, and Pringles. Let's examine the pros and cons to see which one is a better buy for the dollhouse. First up, availability. I have a very difficult time finding mini brands in my area. But then again, I have a difficult time finding a lot of toys in my area. Still looking for Catra and Swiftwind. Out of the 2 Targets I usually visit, I only found 1, and my Walmarts, yeah, nothing. However, I found the Real Littles at 2 of my Targets. So, yeah. But a number of things could affect availability, like other toy hunters and timing. What about price? At Target, the Zuru 5 Surprise Mini Brand had a suggested retail price of $5.99. The Shopkins Real Littles were $3.99. Mini Brands is recommended for ages 3 and up. Real Littles is for 5 and up. 5 Surprise gives you 5 items inside. Real Littles gives you 2 Shopkins, 2 mini packs, and a basket, so you're getting 5 items here as well. So let's do a little math. 5 items at $5.99 makes each item about $1.19. $1.20 if you round. 5 items at $3.99 makes each item about 80 cents. With Real Littles, you can see that you're getting a basket. With Mini Brands, you don't know if you're getting a basket, a shopping cart, or a shelf. There are 50 plus Real Littles to collect, but 100 plus Mini Brands. So Mini Brands give you more options. However, with Real Littles, you're more likely to get the whole collection. Now for the unboxing. We're starting with Mini Brands. There is a perforated side. Just pull that and remove the outer plastic. Hope you don't mess up your nails. Then there's another layer of plastic. Remove the center tab and it opens up like an orange. Peel off the plastic layer, and you get your first mini brand. Ooh, I got a bottle of Edge 2-in-1 shave cream. Our next surprise is... that's the shopping basket, which comes unassembled, so you have to put it together. Instructions are included, so you start with the sides, then the longer sides, add the handles, and a sticker to assemble the mini basket, which is a little small for the items that are to go inside. But they had to make sure it fit inside of these little wedges, so I can understand the size. Let's open our next surprise, which is a box of Lipton tea. The printing is crazy detailed. You can even read the nutrition facts on the side. It comes with a collector's guide, which shows you the super rare gold ones, the rare glow-in-the-dark ones, metallic, and then we go into common. This one has a lot of new stuff on the collector's guide that isn't on my first one, so they've added to the line. How did I not know this? See, now I'm gonna be on a hunt for these mini brands, like for real. Our next surprise is wet ones. Antibacterial hand wipes. Our last one is more wet ones. But these are in a bag. That is so cool. After unboxing, there is quite a bit of packaging left over. Now for the Shopkins Real Littles. Real brands, real cute. Remove the outer plastic. There is paperboard on the bottom and paperboard on the top, but once you lift that, you can see your Real Littles. We got the Circus animal crackers, spicy mustard, and a collector's guide. These are the mini packs and they open. Inside you will find a Shopkin that matches the mini pack. I adore this little stack of animal crackers. It is so cute. And I really like how the bag opens, because we can put our doll's hand in the bag and make it look like she's trying to get some crackers. You get a large pink and black shopping basket that is perfectly sized for the items and a good size for our 10 to 12 inch dolls. Yeah, the 5 Surprise Mini Brands basket is a lot smaller. After unboxing, it seems like Shopkins has a little less packaging left over. This is plastic and this is paperboard and cardboard, which we can easily recycle. All of the 5 Surprise packaging is plastic. Some is a hard plastic and the others are wrappers. So looking at this environmentally, Real Littles definitely gets the point. Now, in our videos, we did show how to recycle items from both of their packaging. In our Mini Brands Unbox Daily, we use the packaging to make store shelving. And in our Real Littles Unbox Daily, we took the cardboard out of the packaging, then wrapped it with twine to be baskets for our pantry. So those are a few ideas to help reduce the waste. When it comes to stocking the dollhouse shelves, Mini Brands gives us 4 items, whereas Real Littles only gives us 2 mini packs. Neither one is really consistent on scale. The soy sauce should probably be a little smaller in comparison to the peanut butter, and I would have liked to have seen the box of Nutri-Grain bars a little smaller in comparison to the juice. But these have Shopkins inside, so they had to make them a little larger. Mini Brands have more detail. You can actually read all of the stuff on the back if you really tried. For the Real Littles, you can just see a bar for a lot of the nutrition facts. And the spicy mustard is the same on both sides. But the question still is, which one is the better buy? Well, let's check the polls. On YouTube, 70% of you all voted for Mini Brands, while 30% voted for Shopkins Real Littles. On Instagram, 56 voted for Mini Brands, while 44 voted for Real Littles. Hey, what about a crafted option? One of my favorite things to do is to recycle packaging. We make Mini Brands for our dollhouse by using the pictures on the back of food packages. This box of ramen noodles gives us 4 boxes of broth on the back. For this craft, we need scissors and a glue stick. Carefully cut the pictures out as neatly as possible. Open up the leftover packaging, take the cutout, place it on top, trace around it, repeat to make several, cut on the inside line, stack and glue them together. Once I reach the desired thickness, use leftover pieces of the box to cover the sides in black, trim around it, glue the cutouts to the front and back to make a doll-sized box of broth. For extra detail, use a hole punch on craft foam, glue it on top to make a cap, giving us more food to add to the dollhouse. Over the years, we have found lots of different packaging that we can use, so we can keep adding to our collection. And the DIY Mini Brands cost no money. Plus, you are reducing waste because you're recycling. However, this does take a good amount of time and you're limited to the packaging you can find. So, which one is your favorite? Let us know in the comments down below. Personally, I'll take them all because it gives me more brands. Thank you for joining us for another Versus. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell and follow us on Instagram at MyFroggyStuff and the Frog Vlog. And we'll see you next time for another Versus.